Hey everybody, it's Neil and I am a 3D printer guy, so I have some 3D printer tools. Let's see what we got in here. Just gonna balance it up here while we open it up. Ah, good, it comes with a little case for it, which is definitely gonna be helpful. And we have in here, we have a little mat, so that's gonna be good. A nice little cutting mat, so that's kind of good when after I print something and I need to cut off some of the support stuff or something like that, I can use the little mat to put it on, instead of having to scrape things on my table. So let's see what we got here. So this is it here. Oh, really nice. I like the way it comes like this in this little pouch here. Okay, so here we go. So here's the whole pouch. So we can open this up here. We have a couple of different scrapers. We have a plastic one and a copper one, it looks like. We have a little screwdriver kind of set here. We have some different tweezers. We have the little pokey tweezers with a bend on it. We have some straight ones. We have the little, if you have done any 3D printing, you need those to clear out the clogs sometimes. Here's another little tool for stuff. This one here is a little sanding tool. That's kind of good to sand down some of the ends. I actually need that. Oh, I don't have my little prints. I printed some ducks for a cruise we're going on, and they have some rough edges where I took off the supports. So that'll be good for me to sand some of those down so they look good. So those are all the base tools on that side. Let me kind of close that up here and see what's in this zipper section over here. So it's a nice little container here, but I'm just gonna have to open it up. So in this side here, we have, cool. Okay, we have a little X-Acto knife, a razor blade, and a wrench that will do virtually any kind of size. It looks like it's very adjustable. Some more extra razor blades. They're plastic razor blades because you don't want to scratch up your, like when I have this here, I don't want to scratch it when I'm messing with it. So that's what that is for. It also does come with a metal one, so if you do need to scrape something off with the metal, you have that. A bunch of little drill bits for those little mini drill thingies in the other side, and some other little ends here. These are like the scrapers, so when you're doing the scraper, just kind of scrape around the edges to take off your the support base. What is that called? The base, I guess. Whatever. We have a couple different cutters here and some pliers as well. And it looks like that's all the different stuff in there. So that's a great little kit, and then it just kind of folds back up into here. I can zip it back up and put it down here. I would usually be doing it on a table, so it would be much easier to do. But there we go. So there is our whole kit and the little mats. So very cool that it has everything you need. So if you have a 3D printer, this is a nice little essential tool kit. If you have a friend or somebody who has one and you need to get them a gift sometime, seems like a good thing to get. Thumbs up.